Pasquato designs and manufactures machinery for converting materials into sheets and finished rolls used in the packaging industry, including plastic films, laminates, paper, and foam materials for a wide range of applications. We offer customized machine configurations to meet each customer's production requirements, whether for the conversion of finished products or for the preparation of semi-finished materials for subsequent manufacturing processes. Our inline solutions for polyester extrusion lines enable sheet production directly downstream of the extruder, eliminating the intermediate winding stage and reducing issues related to material memory and sheet curling. For offline processing, our slitting and cross-cutting technologies provide high precision and flexibility, allowing the conversion of materials ranging from thin and delicate substrates to thicker and more rigid products. The flexibility and efficiency required by modern packaging applications are further enhanced through customized handling solutions integrated around the cutting process. Shaftless unwinding systems, as well as automatic stackers equipped with gripper or conveyor belts, are available to match specific production targets and automation requirements. Contact us to learn how Pasquato Solutions can help optimize your converting process.